Every 39 seconds, somewhere on Earth, a hacker is at work stealing data, crashing servers, or holding your favorite website hostage. Imagine blinking, and in that time, 2,246 cyber attacks have already struck. Picture this. You check your bank balance one morning and $4 million has vanished. Your smart fridge, car, even your fitness watch, all gateways for digital invaders. Hospitals grind to a halt, waiting rooms empty under the shadow of ransomware. And worst of all, if they snatch your identity, you're trapped in a game where you can't even change the rules. In today's video, we're breaking down why cybersecurity is not just IT jargon. It's the armor that shields your money, your health, and your very self. Ready to plug into the digital front line? Let's roll. Imagine the digital world as an ever-expanding library, only instead of books, it's crammed with videos, emails, sensor readings, and tweets. In 2024 alone, we're generating roughly 402.89 million terabytes of new data every single day, which adds up to about 147 zettabytes by year's end. And analysts predict 181 zettabytes in 2025. To put that in perspective, if each terabyte were a paperback novel, you'd have enough books each day to fill over 6,750 average-sized libraries. At the same time, roughly 1 million people join the internet every day, pushing global online users past 6 billion and counting. Every new user, device, or smart gadget, whether it's a fitness tracker, a smart thermostat, or a connected car, opens another door for cybercriminals to slip through. As this digital universe balloons, so does the cybersecurity industry. It's already a $182.86 billion market in 2023 and is projected to swell to over $314 billion by 2028. Yet even with that growth, experts warn of a looming skills gap. There's a shortfall of 4 million cybersecurity professionals today, which may swell to 85 million by 2030 if left unaddressed. Add to that the rapid evolution of threats. 300,000 new strains of malware are born each day, and you begin to see why cybersecurity has gone from niche IT concern to a global imperative. In other words, securing our digital lives is no longer optional. It's the foundation upon which modern society stands. In this corner, weighing in at 85% human error, confidentiality, and across the ring, integrity at 82%, always ready to keep data honest. But don't count out the heavyweight availability, packing a $300,000 per hour punch. I'm your privacy guard. Without me, your passwords, chats, and selfies go on tour in the dark web. I make sure your data isn't secretly edited. No surprise plot twists in your spreadsheets. I'm the uptime champion. If I'm knocked out, your systems nap for hours, costing you $500,000 per hour. When these three work together, they form the ultimate defense. But when one's down, cybervillains slip through the cracks. Meet Alex scrolling their email. Suddenly, urgent, your account's locked. Click here. Alex clicks, and boom, malware unleashed. Phishing. 74% of organizations get spear-phished. One careless click can hand over the keys. Pretexting. Hackers craft believable stories like, I need your password, and 12% of victims bite. Over 30% of phishing emails are opened, and 12% lead to clicks. It's like someone ringing your doorbell, pretending to be your friend, then looting your house. Here's the deal. Cybercrime is the world's fastest-growing underground economy. Global cost, $10.5 trillion by 2025. That's more than the GDP of Germany. Small businesses, 60% fold within 6 months after a breach. Welcome to Bob's Burgers, until his register is held hostage by ransomware. No fries for you. Imagine waking up to no power, no water, no transit, just darkness. The SolarWinds hack in 2020 affected 18,000 organizations, including several US agencies. This incident was a stark reminder of the vulnerabilities in our interconnected digital world. Did you know that 63% of breaches originate from third-party software? Supply chain risk is a significant concern for businesses today, emphasizing the need for robust security measures. Just one weak link in your vendor's chain can cause catastrophic consequences. Imagine an entire city shattering due to a single point of failure. It's a powerful illustration of the importance of securing every part of the supply chain. That supply chain veneer. It's more like a domino line. You know, knock one over and, well, everything tumbles. Trust is indeed quite fragile. When a breach happens, customers, they just bolt. A staggering 80% of customers lose faith after a breach. It's quite something, isn't it? Yahoo's 2013 breach slashed market cap by $350 million. Ever tried putting toothpaste back in the tube? That's your brand after a hack. Just when you thought you'd patched every hole, enter AI and quantum. AI-driven social engineering, 75% of organizations will face it by 2026. Quantum computing could crack RSA 2048 in under 8 hours. Stay tuned for the aftermath and legacy, where we'll show you how to arm yourself for this war. Since those headline-grabbing hacks, organizations haven't been snoozing at their keyboards. Cybersecurity budgets have ballooned by over 12% year-on-year, hitting roughly $188 billion in 2024, as companies scramble to plug every digital leak. Regulators got in on the action too. GDPR fines averaged €5.4 million in 2023, turning non-compliance into an expensive gamble. On the tech front, the old castle and moat defenses gave way to zero-trust architectures, with 60% of enterprises pledging to never trust, always verify by 2025. Cloud providers now bundle encryption, multi-factor authentication, and continuous monitoring into their platforms, so businesses can focus on growth instead of patching ancient servers. Even everyday users joined the fight. Global uptake of password managers surged by 35%, and over 1 billion devices rolled out automatic security updates in 2024. Meanwhile, universities and boot camps are churning out thousands of new cybersecurity grads annually, slowly closing that multi-million professional gap. The result? While the threat landscape keeps mutating, our digital defenses have never been sharper, proof that when the world locks arms, even the fiercest cyber attacks find themselves outmanned and outgunned. We've journeyed from deadliest data breaches to sci-fi threats like quantum hacking, and it's clear cybersecurity isn't just an IT checkbox. It's a personal mission. Your data, your identity, even your morning coffee machine depend on it. But don't let the tech jargon scare you. Enable multi-factor authentication, keep every device patched, and treat every email link like a mystery puzzle. If you picked up even one tip today, smash that like button. Subscribe for more deep dives, and hit the bell to stay ahead of the next digital wave. Got questions or war stories? Drop them in the comments. Your curiosity fuels our next video. Until next time, stay secure, stay curious, and keep seeking that Infinitia Verity.